Hi friends, learn English with viral news. I will share some beautiful methods to improve your English language. I will share some news about actresses who fell down and died, one from Japan and one from India, and ahead in this video. So please watch this video till end so that you will come to know how to improve your English language with the help of viral news. Actually, when you want to improve your English language, when you want to learn English language, it's okay that we should learn the English language because it is international language and world has become the global village. Right now we are not limited to one area or place. We have to face a lot of other challenges on international level. So we should make ourselves according to international era. And if you want to improve your language, to expand your talent throughout the world, then here are some suggestions that basically when you are a beginner, you want to improve your English language, then start from some basic things, from basic sentences, and read some local type stories. You know that where the difficult words are not used in those stories. In this way you will understand whatever written in those stories very easily. If you in the beginning you read the newspaper or difficult sentences, then you will feel that oh, it is too much difficult to improve English language and I am not able to improve the language because there are too much difficult words. How can I memorize the meanings of those words or sentences? And some people start cramming the meanings of those difficult words. I think that don't cram them. Instead of cramming them, use them in sentences. When you will use them in sentences, then you will be able to easily understand the difficult word and its meaning. Otherwise, when you will cram, after some days you will forget. Then you will have to again, cramming is not good. Memorize them and then use those difficult words in sentences. When you will use them in sentences, they will keep in your mind forever. Otherwise, after some times you will forget those difficult words and you will face problems whenever those words come in front of you again. So that some people when they want to improve their English language, they read or watch all kind of videos. This is not good. When you want to improve your English language, I think that you should read, you should listen, you should watch videos in English language of your interest, where there you are interested in, because you know that some people are interested in sports, some people are interested in art and culture, some people are interested in politics, and all they are non-native. They want to improve their English language. And if you are interested in sports and you listen or watch the videos of politics while learning the English language, then you will lack the interest. When you lack the interest, you will not watch those videos with devotion, or you will not read the articles with interest. Where there is no interest, then it is very difficult for you to improve the things. If you want to improve the things in proper way, then I have suggestions for you that this is the good method, that read, listen and write the things in English language of your interest. Because I will share one example of mine, that I am interested in art and culture. Whenever I watch videos of some artists, some actors or actresses, whenever I watch their interviews, I watch them with devotion and interest, and I understand. Whenever I watch videos where there I am not interested, so I feel some kind of problems while understanding those videos. So this is the best principle to improve your English language, that search the videos of your interest. social medias have given you the opportunity to search all kind of videos where there you are interested in. So search the videos of your interest. When you will find those videos, watch them again and again, watch them. In this way the sentences those are spoken in those videos will be memorized to you, and then you will do the practice of those sentences in your daily life, or in your when you will do the practice of English language. This is the good method, and I hope that you will adopt this method to improve yourself. Otherwise whenever you will see it is necessary to watch the videos of other fields. I am not saying that never watch the videos of other people or other spheres or other interests. When you are a beginner, then it is necessary to watch the videos of your interest, so that you never lose the interest. Otherwise, in the beginning when you will watch the videos, those are not interested for you, then you will lose the interest. When you feel that right now you are able to understand English a little better, then go towards other things, watch other things to get the knowledge about those things. Because if you want to deliver the speech, you should be able to know a little about the politics, a little about the science, a little about the art and culture, a little about the sports, a little about other agriculture, other things. There are so many fields, there are so many departments in our life. So when we are able to understand general knowledge, these are the general knowledge kind of things, then we will be able to deliver a very good speech. Because for delivering the speech, it is very necessary to get the command on general knowledge. Because if I know each and everything about art and cultures, I don't know about the politics, I don't know about the sports, I don't know about the agriculture, then how can I deliver good speech whenever any opportunity comes? So it is necessary to get the knowledge, general knowledge about everything a little. You are master in your interested thing, but you should have a little knowledge about other things. So in the beginning, watch, listen, read, write things in English language of your interest. After then, go ahead, watch whatever you want to watch. In this way, this is the best message, and you will improve your English language in no time. Right now I will share some news about because I am interested in art and culture. So I am sharing this news related to art and cultures, and here are two actresses. Those died by falling down from a building. And what is the story behind? One actress from Japan, Japanese, Sayaka Kanda. Sayaka Kanda, Japanese famous singer and actress, fell down from a building and died. She was born October 1st, 1986 and died December 18, 2021. Born in 1986 and died in December 2021. And she fell from a building, 22nd floor of the building, fell down and died. And there is a conspiracy about her death, that how she fell and what are the reason behind her death, and there are conspiracies. The same was the situation with the Indian actress. She was died in previous time, and her name was the Divya Bharti. Divya Bharti was famous actress of Bollywood and Telugu films there in India, and she was born 25th February 1974 and died 5 April 1993, and she also fell from a building and died, and there was the conspiracy about her death, and that conspiracy is still not solved, and no one knows that how she fell down, whether it is the suicide or whether any other conspiracy. So that phenomena is still unresolved. These were the two news I wanted to share with you about the actresses, because you can improve your English language with the viral news. Whenever you see any kind of viral news, watch those news in English language. When you will listen news in English language, then it will be best for you to understand the new words, because in news there are the new words are used, and you will be able to understand those words very easily in the shape of news. If you find any kind of difficulty, first of all listen that news in your own language, then listen that language in English language. In this way you will be able to understand the English version of the news very easily, because you know that what is happened in the news. This is the best thing, that first of all watch that news in your national language. When you feel that you have understood the theory of this news, the whole situation of this news, then watch or listen that news, same news in English language. In this way I think that you will improve your English language. There are so many other methods which can help you to improve your English language. You can adapt yourself, you can imagine in your mind that which things are easy for you to improve your English language, because everybody have its own mind and thinking, and if I feel very relaxed while listening the news or any other things of my interest, then your choice will be different. So do things according to your choice. Where there you are interested in, do those things, and where there you are not interested in, don't waste time there, because without interest, without devotion, you will not be able to improve your English language or learn English language. If you want to improve your English language, if you want to learn English language, then you will have to do the hard work and practice on daily basis. Otherwise you will lose everything. You will not be able to speak the language. You will waste your time. So if you are interested in, if you are serious about the English language, then do the serious things. Take it serious and try to improve it on daily basis. After some months you will be able to speak a little fluent English language. It takes a lot of time, not very easy to improve any other language that is not your own language, because getting command on other languages is not easy. Some people are saying that learn English language in 10 days. It is not good. It is not right. Right thing is that it takes time and consistent hard working. When you will do the consistent hard work, then one day I think that you will be able to speak very good English language. Hope you find this video useful. Please give your feedback below in comment box. Right now allow me from this video. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.